So this is The Legend of Zelda Link's Awakening for the Nintendo Switch. It is rated E for everyone for mild fantasy violence. It is a one-player game and it is amiibo compatible. Now this is more of a traditional Zelda like you may have played on your original Nintendo. It is a top-down view version of The Legend of Zelda. Let's go ahead and open this up. So on the inside here, you've got your cartridge here that goes right into your Nintendo Switch, and they've got some really nice artwork on the inside of the case. Let's go ahead and put this in our Nintendo Switch. So you can see The Legend of Zelda Link's Awakening has a retro art style with toy-like characters and a top-down perspective. This action-adventure game lets you explore the open world and then descend into the dungeons featuring puzzle-solving sections and fighting level bosses. And again, this game is rated E for everyone and is designed for hours of fun on your Nintendo Switch.